Good day, everyone. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps on creating submenu on your system. Firstly, what is submenu? To give you some brief ideas, the menu that is displaying here is the simplest kind of menu. There are different categories here, and under this one category, all the items are already listed. So you just need to click that one item, then it is already added to the order list. But imagine, what if you have so many items under the same category, like this burger, and it has like 10 pages of menus? It will be very troublesome go through the pages one by one just to look for the correct item, right? Therefore, organize your items using submenu is a very smart choice. Submenu is like a secondary menu under the primary menu. For example, under this fast food category, burger and side orders are the primary menu. When you click inside this primary menu, you'll see another menu display here. All of these are the submenu of burger. While here is the submenu of side orders. We can also call it as secondary menu. So when you want to order burger, you go to burger, and when you want to order side orders, just select from here. By this way, things are classified very nicely. So, how to create submenu like this? I believe you already have some basic ideas on menu design from our previous tutorial. If not, you might look for it. Now let me show you how to design it in menu design. Firstly, you add a category to the menu header. It can be a new one or an existing one. For this example, it is fast food. Then, click on it. We will create submenu burger in the menu details. Go to menu details settings. Right part here is still empty, while left part here show a long list of items of food in this case. Everything that is added here will show on the menu later. To add a submenu, use the function Add Submenu here. Click it, then it will show a new tab. Key in the description. It will show as the title of the submenu button later. For example, I key in burger. Click to preview the button here. It will show you the result. If you want to customize the color of the button or everything, just customize it here. Okay, now you see the new burger button here. This will be the primary submenu. As I have shown you just now, when you click inside this burger, it will show a lot of choices of burgers here. Those are the secondary submenu. To add those choices of food, menu detail settings again, select the burgers, then add them to the menu details. All these items will show under burger submenu. Let us check out how it looks like. Fast food, burger. Now you have a useful submenu. Of course, you need to save to make the changes. Actually, we can create multiple levels of submenu to further organize the food. For example, we can group classic burger into one group, BBQ burgers to another, and then grilled burgers. The result will be like this. Primary submenu burger. When you click inside, secondary submenu, classic, BBQ, and grilled burgers. And when you further click inside, tertiary submenu, which are the choices of food. The same goes to classic burgers and BBQ burgers. So how to make it this way? Come on, let me show you. Menu design again. Then, like I have said just now, create a menu header category, which is fast food in this case. And then under the menu header, add a primary submenu burger. A little bit different from just now. For this example, when you click inside, you need to create 3 secondary submenus, which are classic, BBQ, and then grilled burgers. So you go to menu details, add 3 submenus: classics, BBQ, and then grill. Okay, and then you can see that the secondary submenu is already done. You can check it. Then finally, you add tertiary submenus, which are choices of food, into each of them. Go into classic burgers, menu details again, add all the classic burgers choices into here. Then now you see, here is the tertiary submenu. Repeat the same steps. Add BBQ's burger under BBQ selection. And then, again, grill burgers, okay, then you check it. See, it is classified into 3 types, and then when you go inside each of them, it has their own choices of food. So, this is the primary submenu, then secondary submenu, finally the tertiary submenu. By this way, things are classified very nicely. Oh yeah, last but not least, I've mentioned that I'll explain about this auto back to previous menu function, right? For example, now it is not tick. So, when it is not tick, when you click inside the submenu and order, it will stay in this page and will not back to previous menu. Maybe you cannot see it clearly now, but I'll demonstrate you a tick one. Right, so when you tick this, save, go to the same menu again. We go to submenu burger, classic again. Now be aware of the difference. I will order again. You see, I click it. Then it is back to the previous menu. Let me show you again. Order this burger classic cheese. It is back to the previous menu. It is not that hard to understand, right? Therefore, you can decide whether you want to use this function or not. Alright guys, this is the end of this tutorial. Let's practice submenu functions to run your business more effectively. Thank you!